Hello guys, this is God's Power again. So if you want to make money online for free, you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. It's very simple, and all I just want you to do is to pay attention to every part on this video and you will start making money online for free. But all I just want from you, watch this short video from the beginning to the end. You will see at the end of the day, you will now go and apply the strategy and what you want to do and how you can expand business and strategy that you can apply. So I will just give you short details and more. This short information will give you value of explosion of your business. All I just want you to do, keep on watching this video and let me show you how. So now you want to start making money online. What is the type of business you want to get involved into? So think just think on your head like, okay, I want to start up a business. What are the type of business I want to get involved into? Think about yourself like, what am I passionate about? What can I do? You know, when you want to start up a business, don't go and watch videos and after you are watching that video, you want to start doing what they are doing. Don't do that. Think about what you can do, because what they are doing is different. Why did I say you should do something on your own? Because that is how you have to master yourself. Because if you don't do something that you know how to do, you are doing things that people are telling you to do, you will not become successful, because it's like you are working in somebody else's zone. Because you have to be on your zone. You have to be comfortable with what you are doing. Because when you are doing what people are doing, you will not become successful. But when you are doing what you are doing, you will see explosion in your business. So that is why I said, think about what you are passionate about first. Is the first thing you need to focus in business. What can I do? That is the first question you need to ask yourself. As long as you can answer this question, then you need to watch the next step of it. Now that you know what you have to do on your in business, then now is the step to take the next step. The step you are going to take now is where you are going to start mastering what you know how to do and start offering those things you know how to do to people. Think about yourself like, what can I do? What can I offer? With those services that you can offer, then people are willing to buy that services that you can offer. What is important is that when you are offering a services, make sure it's a services that people are looking for. That is the things you need to understand in business. When you are offering a services or offering a business or doing anything in any category of in business sectors, what you need to focus on, make sure what you are doing, it have value and people are looking for this type of services or products or things, or I don't know, that thing that you are passionate about. But make sure that career, that goal, that thing you want to accomplish, make sure people are looking for this type of thing that you are trying to produce. Because when you are doing a business, you want to grow in a business, you need people, you need to connect, you need communication, you need friendship, you need partnership. So all those things, you need them in your business. So think about it. What can I do? What can my product do? What can my product solve? Your product need to be that service or that product that can solve people problem. So make sure your product or your services can solve people problem. So if you can solve people problem, I guarantee you that you are going to make it in your business. That is the things you need to focus on. Let me say, for example, you need to start affiliate marketing. Like, you want to start affiliate marketing. If you want to join any affiliate program, one thing you need to focus in products that have a high ticket. High ticket product is a product that have a recurring commission, which means if you refer, even if it's only one person you refer to these services, at the end of the month, you are going to be getting paid by percentage, maybe 10%, 15%, 50%. It depends on what the company is going to be paying you every month for promoting their services. Because you refer one client to them, as long as that client is paying monthly services, you are going to be getting paid every month. That is a recurring service commission. For example, what I encourage any young business to do, like if you are a young entrepreneur trying to start up a business, or you are trying to start up your own business, like what's me personally I do. First thing, before I start up any business, before I create I join any affiliate program or start promoting any services or products, look at what I do. What I'm doing is that I have to create my website. So I'll create a website, and on my website, I'll be blogging. So because I'm blogging on this website, before I promote any product, I'll make sure I have already blogged about this particular product. Like I talk how this product is working, the value, the damage, the risk, and everything. I talk about everything on this blog. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to link the link from that particular brand to that my blog. So look what I'm doing there. If I want to promote the services, I'll promote the services through my website link, through that blog that I blogged on my website. Why? I want to keep those visitors on my website, and I want them to go through that go to that brand or go to that company that they are trying to use through my website, so that they will come back tomorrow to review other products that I'm promoting. So you are trying to create engagement on your own website, not social media, not Facebook, not Instagram, not YouTube, but you are creating engagement on your own website. So if you are able to do this thing, it's very simple. Let me say, for example, if you want to create a website, there's multiple ways of creating a website. You can create a website with WordPress, Wix, or other places, but the free ways that you can create your website is blogger.com. You can use blogger.com and create your website and start off from there, because blogger.com is 100% free. So I made a video on how you can create your website on blogger.com. It's 100% free. So all you just need to do, go and watch the video on how you can create your website for free on Blogger that will pop up on the screen. It will still be in the description below. So if you are able to create your website for free, you have your own website now, then you can now start creating content on that your blog and driving traffic to that your blog. Then from there, you can now decide to start promoting products, like talking about affiliate marketing, teaching people how to make money online. Create something, join a bunch of affiliate program and promote them on that your blog. And at the end of the month, you will start making money online. You can even connect AdSense on that your website, on that your blogger website. It doesn't matter if you don't have www.com, but you will have www.yourname/blogger.com, so that is what you have to you have to be aware when you are using blogger.com. So that is how you can create your free website if you want to create a free website on blogger.com. So as long as now that you have your free website, what you are going to do is to invest time, try to start driving traffic to that your blog, creating blog with a low competition keyword ranking. If you use low competition keyword, which means you are going to rank, you are going to find a chance of ranking higher quickly on Google. So if you have low competition keyword, you'll be in a chance of ranking higher on Google, because Google will quickly pick up your content because they have a low competition keyword and they are more. Make sure your content is legit. So when your content is legit, when I mean legit is that you need to write, you need to be a good writer. If you cannot write, you can go and write on Fiverr. So the link to join Fiverr will be in the description below. You can go and join Fiverr, hire anyone to write articles for you, and that is all. That is all you just have to do. And yeah, I'm going to end this video from here. I'll keep on making more content, great content like this.